Mm-hmm.
And I didn't open it.
You didn't open your mouth? What's Pete doing?
My mouth is here.
Look at Peter. Whoa! It's the big guy.
And now the beaver got out of the water.
Okay, who's the beaver now? I forgot. No! Move that stroller so Pete doesn't whack his head. Oh! Oh, he's gonna pin you, Theo. He's gonna pin you. And the baby's gonna pin you down. Uh-oh. A cage! Oh, no, 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 no! Whoa. Okay, Theo, a little more gentle. Not so rough. You're putting him in the cage? Peter, are you in a cage? Uh-oh. What are you? What are you again?
A beaver.
Oh. And what's Peter? I didn't know beavers put babies in cages.
No, beavers do.
Oh.